In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the drive motor. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wires connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach each of the multi-pin connectors away from the front display board. The first being the yellow connector, followed by the black connector, then the white connector, then the red connector, then the 2 blue connectors, and then finally the 2 white connections, and then set the display cover aside. The drive motor is located on the right side of the power head. Using a crosshead screwdriver, remove the 2 small screws holding the motor in place. Then remove the drive motor away from the power head and either set it aside or dispose of it. Before installing the new motor, make note of the center hole at the end of the drive motor shaft. This aligns with a stainless steel guide pin that is part of the power head body. Place the drive motor into position, ensuring the shaft aligns with the guide pin and that the teeth are properly meshed with the power head's gear, while also aligning the mounting holes. Then place the 2 small screws that hold the drive motor in place and tighten. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.